Yes, it's me, Leo. New day, new thoughts. Morning for me is always the moment when I try to find balance. The body is just waking up, and the brain is already starting to scroll through thoughts. To be honest, even in such simple moments, I remember yesterday. And yesterday the market was very volatile. That's why I think today the market will be active as well, so I can fall behind. I also try to be active and start my day right. Warm up is part of the morning ritual and the key to my discipline. If there is no regime, there will be no results in the body, no stability in the account. Therefore, the morning always begins with movement. Urgent activation. I'm out of coffee, so I'll get dressed and go to the nearest store. That's it. I forgot to do something yesterday, and I have to do it today. Sounds familiar? But never mind. Let's consider it a morning walk. It also helps to turn on the brain, and that's great, because when I get home, I want to start my trading day. I managed to look at the news. China released indices of manufacturing and non-manufacturing sectors, so the market should react. Now I'm rushing home. I want to get to trading as soon as possible. Coffee for me is like a starting signal in the market. I'm fully on and ready to go. I will now turn on screen recording so you can watch my trades on the chart in real time. Okay, I'm starting morning trading. I set the risk of the deal to $1,000. Expiration time is 1 minute. I'm trading with my bot. Despite the news on China, I didn't see much market movement. So let's open 2 deals on the euro-dollar pair in the morning. I go into the bot, select Forex, euro-dollar. Expiration time is 1 minute. I click on the receive signal and wait for the bot to analyze the market. So the bot issued a deal for an increase. We see that we have a reserve of movement higher from the current position. Locally, we may have a reversal of the downward trend. This is exactly what the bot read. Therefore, from the current positions we can get growth. Just wait, and in the meantime, I will enjoy the coffee that I ran for in the morning. Great, first trade closes in profit. I get $1,880. Good start. Let's try to get another signal. Let's consider British pound US dollar pair. I go to the bot. I find this currency pair in the bot. We press the expiration time of 1 minute and get a signal. At the moment we see a correction. The price has approached the lower limit, but the bot looks at the continuation of the correction and gives me a signal to decrease. And at the moment a correction movement has already appeared. Excellent entry point. Got a great correction. The deal closes with a good profit. The first trade shows that the trend is upward today, and even the second pair too. I just got a correction moment. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. I like to check in the morning when the system shows one thing and I see the same, so it means we're on the same page. We'll continue trading at lunch. Now it's time to get ready. The morning has already given me results, both profit and confidence. Now I can switch and do other things. I like to balance work with rest, so I called a friend and suggested we go for a walk at the mall. By the way, when I travel, I always think how cool it is that I don't have an office and a boss. I decide for myself where and when to work. It's so cool. Hey Chris, my man, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you for asking, Leo. What about you, mate?
I'm doing great. Guys, it's Chris. He's one of my students and also my friend. So, tell me one thing. Have you already traded today?
Yeah, I mean, in the morning I have already traded with your bot, so...
How was the result?
Well, I would say a little profit, so due to this little success, let us have a shopping time.
Okay, let's go, my man. We just go shopping, chat, laugh. For me, that's part of being a trader. Being able to switch off from the charts and enjoy the moment. Shopping is fun, but we've spent quite a bit of money. Now it's time to make some money. We'll find a quiet place where we can hold a trading session. Hey Chris.
Yo.
I want to take it to trade. Can you take a video of me, please?
Of course, yeah.
Thank you. Guys, the cafe was pretty crowded, so I didn't go into details about my stock market moves back then. But to make things clear, I'll explain them now. Let me move on to my currency pair and see what the bot can give us. We have a deal to fall. I open a deal and we see how the market just flows in real time. Excellent entry point, excellent fall. It seems to me that all that remains is to just wait for my profit and enjoy the fall of the charts. The bot gave a perfect entry point and we entered the trade. I didn't even doubt it. I fixed the profit deal. I take $1,890 and find the next opportunity there. So the Australian dollar, American dollar pair. Let's get a signal from the bot and see how it analyzes the current currency pair. We see that we have a local rebound, but the trend is downward. So personally, I'm looking at a deal to go down. But let's see what the bot gives. So the bot gives a deal to buy. Well, we enter the deal to buy and let's watch how the story will play out. In general, we have a reserve of power, and again, we see good growth immediately after opening our deal. The price just pumps immediately after the bot signal. Great, I take another deal. Fix $910 net profit. That's the fun of trading. You can walk, relax, communicate, and then come back and calmly work your part. Life and work do not interfere with each other, but go in parallel. So guys, if you think that trading is difficult or stressful, look at me. With my vlogs, I want to show you that trading can be fun, and I hope I can convey this.
After a busy day, it's good to be home.
Sometimes my friends and I play on the PlayStation. Sometimes I just turn on a TV series. It helps my brain switch. You can live only by the market. Otherwise, you'll burn out. I realized that in trading, it's important not only to be able to enter into trades, but also to be able to exit the work mode. Balance is key. However, I still have a fighting spirit, and I want to finish the trading day beautiful.
So, before going to bed, I open my laptop. I want to take 2-3 deals as a result of the day. For me, it's like a lion to close the day and go to bed with a clear head. So, the evening trading session, where I will open a couple of transactions. I select the euro-dollar pair, go to workspace, forex, select the expiration time of 1 minute, click on receive signal. We see that we have a strong growing trend on the graph. So I think the bot will give a signal to increase. And we really get a buy deal. I open a deal here and expect growth to continue. It's hard to analyze anything at night, so let's just wait for it to end. Yes, here is the overall result. We see continued growth. In a couple of seconds, the deal closes in our favor. I get $890 net. Let's try to get another deal in the same currency pair. Since there's volatility here and we can work with this pair. Actually, I just noticed that the percentage of profitability dropped to 63. It doesn't work for us. I will find another currency pair. I choose a currency pair, find it in the bot, select the expiration time of 1 minute and click get a signal. Here we see a downward trend. The strength of sellers is obvious here. So I think we will open a deal here on the downward trend. So the bot gives us a deal to buy. I enter a deal to increase and most likely we can get a reversal from the current ones. We have updated all local lows, removed liquidity from below and can go quite high from the current ones. This deal is a loss. I will not cover it, as there were enough positive deals today. In total, I earned $3,350. I think I will finish the evening trading session here. Today had it all. Sports, friends, work and rest. That's what real freedom feels like. I'm ending the day with the thought that tomorrow will be just as good. And that's the rhythm I like most. Thank you for being here, friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next videos.